Tired of stressing over the bills? Let's fix that starting today. Being a single mom is hard enough. Money stress shouldn't make it harder. So if you're tired of having to choose between paying the bills or spending more quality time with your kids, let's change that starting today. And these side hustles will be able to help get you there. But before we dive in, drop a comment below and let me know, what is your biggest struggle when it comes to trying to make extra money? The first side hustle that's really great for single moms is freelancing. This is jobs like writing, being a virtual assistant, or maybe helping be a social media manager. And the reason why this is a good choice is because it offers flexibility. You can do it remotely and work from home, and it pays really well with experience. So the better you get at it, the more money you can make. It's also easy to get started. All you have to do is create a free profile on sites like Fiverr or Upwork, and then start with a skill that you already have. Are you good at writing emails? Are you good at organizing stuff? Are you really good at posting and navigating social media? Then start with those things. And here's a pro tip. Build your portfolio up by offering to do some jobs for friends and family for their testimonials. Side hustle option number 2, print on demand and digital products. This is a really great option because you don't need to have any sort of inventory. You can literally set it up so that it's passive income and it's easy to just continue to earn money while you sleep. So it requires a little bit of setup at first. You're going to want to use a site like Etsy or Redbubble or Canva to create things. You're going to create things like journals or planners or even t-shirts and mugs. And then you just upload them to the sites and you've got passive income coming in the background. It's a beautiful option. So a pro tip for that would be start with free designs in a platform like Canva, and then use SEO-friendly keywords to boost your sales. Side hustle number 3, affiliate and network marketing. This one often scares people away the most, but it's one of my favorites that I'm passionate about because for the most part, it's low startup costs. It can be done in your spare time, but there's high earning potential. And the easiest way to get started with this one is to join programs of things you already love to do. Do you love to cook? Become a network marketer for Pampered Chef. Do you love online shopping and good deals? Then become an Amazon affiliate. These are easy programs to join on to because they're things you already love and do naturally in your day-to-day life anyway. Pro tip, focus on promoting products or programs that help other single moms just like you, because then promoting it will feel natural. And side hustle number 4, online coaching or course creation. This is where you can turn your knowledge into income, and it creates passive revenue streams, which we love. By identifying something that you're already good at, parenting hacks, budgeting, maybe it's fitness, maybe it's organization, and then use a simple platform like Teachable or Thrivecart to launch your courses. Pro tip, offer some free mini courses first on social media to build know and trust with people before selling. Side hustle number 5 are your local side hustles. This is things like pet sitting or babysitting, or maybe starting an errand service. These types of side hustles don't require any kind of startup costs, and they provide a real need within your community. Use apps like Care.com or Rover to find clients, or simply just post in your local area Facebook groups. Pro tip: offer a unique service to make yourself stand out from your competition. Offer overnight babysitting, because a lot of other people don't. Or offer pet walking with snacks. When you can add that one little extra unique service to yours to make you stand out from your competition, you're going to be that much further ahead. If you're serious about starting a side hustle, you're not going to want to miss my Side Hustle Starter Kit, which you can grab inside my Facebook group, the Empower Collective. It has everything that you need to get started. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell to stay tuned for more motivational, business, and self-help tips. It has everything you need to get started. So don't forget to like and subscribe for more business and life strategies.